Fractions part 2. Subtract minus 3 by 7 from 3 by 7. 3 by 7 minus of minus 3 by 7. That equal to 3 by 7 minus of minus plus 3 by 7. Like fractions, so keep the denominators same and add the numerators. 3 plus 3 equal to 6 by 7. Subtract 2 from 2 by 3. From 2 by 3, subtract 2. They are like fractions. So 2 by 3 minus 2 by 1, multiply and divide with 3. 2 by 3 minus 3 to 6, 3 ones 3. Now they became like fractions. Keep the denominators same. 2 minus 6 equal to minus 4 by 3. Insert one fraction between 1 and 3 by 11. To insert a fraction, add the numerators and denominators. 1 plus 3, 1 plus 11. 3 plus 1, 4. 11 plus 1, 12. 4 threes. So 1 by 3 is the fraction between 1 and 3 by 11. Find the value of 3 by 5 of 1 hour. 3 by 5 into 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 5 12 times. 3 into 12 equal to 36 minutes. 3 1 by 2 of 2 meters. 3 to 6 plus 1 7 by 2 into 2 meters. 2 2 cancel equal to 7 meters. 2/3 of half of 60 kgs. It is equal to 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 into 60 kgs. 2 into 1 into 60 by 3 into 2 into 1. 3 goes 20 times. 2 10 times. Therefore in numerator 2 into 1 into 10 equal to 20 kgs. Simplify the following. We simplify this using BODMAS. First remove off. 1 into 3. 3 by 4 to 8 into 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 3. Multiplication and division. First we do division. 3 by 8 into 1 by 2 into reciprocal of 2 by 3. 3 by 2 equal to 3 into 1 into 3 by 8 into 2 into 2 equal to 3 3 is 9, 2 2 is 4, 8 4 is 32. Next question. It is equal to 2 by 3 into 4 ones are 4 plus 1 5 by 4 divided by 3 by 7 of 8 to 16 plus 5 21 by 8. Now first remove off 3 by 7 of 21 by 8. 3 by 7 of 21 by 8 equal to 3 by 7 into 21 by 8. 7 threes equal to 3 threes and 9 by 8. 2 by 3 into 5 by 4 divided by, this is equal to 9 by 8. Now remove division. 2 by 3 into 5 by 4 into reciprocal of 9 by 8. 8 by 9 equal to 2 into 5 into 8 by 3 into 4 into 9. 4 twos. 5 twos 10. 10 into 2 20. 9 threes 27. Next question. Equal to 6 by 5 of 3 threes 9 plus 1 10 by 3 minus 2 twos 4 plus 1 5 by 2 divided by 21 twos 42 plus 5 47 by 2 21 minus 2 by 1 equal to 6 by 5 of LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. 3 goes 2 times, 2 into 10 20 minus 2 goes 3 times, 3 into 5 15 divided by LCM of 21 and 1 is 21. 21 goes 1 time, 1 into 47 47 minus 1 goes 21 times, 21 into 2 42 equal to 6 by 5 of 20 minus 15 5 by 6 divided by 47 minus 42 5 by 21. Next remove of 6 by 5 into 5 by 6. 5 5 cancel, 6 6 cancel divided by 5 by 21 equal to 1 divided by 5 by 21 equal to 1 into reciprocal of 5 by 21 is 21 by 5 equal to 21 by 5. In mixed fraction it is 4 1 by 5. Next question. In this question, first we remove bar bracket, then round bracket, then curly bracket, then square bracket. Equal to 12 into 2, 24 plus 1, 25 by 2 minus 8 to 16 plus 1, 17 by 2 plus 9 minus 5 minus 3 minus 2 is 1. Close the brackets. Equal to 25 by 2 minus square bracket open 17 by 2 plus curly bracket open 9 minus 5 minus 1 is 4. Close the brackets. Equal to 25 by 2 minus 17 by 2 plus 9 minus 4 is 5. Close the bracket. Equal to 25 by 2 minus LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. 2 goes 1 time, 1 into 17, 17 plus 1 goes 2 times, 2 into 5, 10. Equal to 25 by 2 minus 17 plus 10, 27 by 2 equal to 25 minus 27 by 2. They are like fractions. Equal to minus 2 by 2, which is equal to minus 1. Fifth question. Samira purchased 3 1 by 2 kg apples and 4 3 by 4 kgs oranges. What is the total weight of fruits purchased by her? Total weight of the fruits equal to weight of apples plus weight of oranges, equal to 3 to 6 plus 1 7 by 2 plus 4 4 16 plus 3 19 by 4, equal to LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. 2 goes 2 times 7 2 is 14 plus 19, equal to 14 plus 19 33 by 4, equal to, in mixed fraction, 8 1 by 4 kgs. Sixth question. Suman wants to put a picture in a frame. Blue color is the picture and red color is the frame. The picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeters wide. The width of the picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeters. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 3 by 10 centimeters width, because the width of the frame is 7 3 by 10 centimeters. How much should the picture be trimmed to fit in the frame? This is the part to be trimmed so that the picture fits in the frame. Picture width equal to 7 3 by 5 centimeters, that is equal to 38 by 5 centimeters. Frame width equal to 7 3 by 10 centimeters, that equal to 73 by 10 centimeters. To change these two into like fractions, multiply and divide by 2. That is equal to 38 into 2, 76, 5 2s 10. So the picture should be trimmed by 76 by 10 minus 73 by 10, equal to 76 minus 73, 3 by 10 centimeters should be trimmed. Seventh question. In a class of 40 students, 1/5 of the total number of students like to study English, 2/5 of the total number like to study mathematics, and the remaining students like to study science. In a class of 40 students, 1/5 of 40 like English, 2/5 of 40 like maths, and remaining students like science. First question, how many students like to study English? That is 1/5 of 40, equal to 8 students. How many students like to study mathematics? That is 2/5 of 40. By simplifying, it is equal to 16 students. What fraction of total number students like to study science? To get the fraction, first we have to know how many students like science. For that, subtract total number of students who like maths and science from total number of students in the class. So 40 minus 24 equal to 16 students like science. In the fraction form, it is equal to 16 out of 40. Further simplifying, we get 2 by 5. Therefore, 2/5 of students like to study science. Eighth question. Vidya plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between 2 adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meter. Find the distance between the first and the last sapling. These are 4 saplings. The distance between 2 adjacent saplings equal to 3 by 4 meter. Then find the distance between the first sapling and the last sapling. By Adding 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 will get the distance between them. Or else 1, 2, 3. 3 times 3 by 4 meter gives the distance between the first and last sampling. 3 times 3 by 4 equal to 3 into 3 9, 4 into 1 4 equal to 2 1 by 4 meter. Ninth question. Vijay weighed 50 kg. He gained 1 by 2 kg during the first week, 1 by 4 kg during the second week, but lost 1 by 2 kg during the third week. What was his weight after third week? Note, if it is gain, add. If it is lost, subtract. From 50 kgs, he gained half kg during the first week, 1 by 4 kg he gained in second week, but lost 1 by 2 kg in third week. Plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 cancel. 50 plus 4 ones are 4 plus 1 5 by 4 equal to LCM 4 into 50 200 plus 5 equal to 205 by 4 equal to 51 1 by 4 kgs.